Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. If you're new here, hi. We're really happy you're listening today.
Yes, welcome. This podcast is for people who understand English, but when it's time to speak, your mind freezes.
You know the feeling. You think in your language first, then you translate, then you panic, and then silence.
If that sounds like you, don't worry. You are not bad at English. You're just translating too much.
Exactly. So today's topic is very important. How to stop translating and start thinking in English.
And don't worry, we'll keep it simple, slow, and friendly. No difficult grammar, no pressure.
We'll talk like real people. We'll use real examples. And we'll repeat things because repetition helps your brain.
Quick reminder before we start, if you like learning English this way, like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who's also learning English.
All right, take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. You're doing great already.
Let's begin. Seed.
Vanessa, let's start with a simple question. Why do people translate in their head?
Because that's how they learned English, word by word, sentence by sentence.
Right. For example, someone wants to say, I'm hungry.
But in their head, they first think, my language sentence, then they translate it to English, then they speak.
And that takes time. Speaking needs speed, not perfection.
Exactly. Native speakers don't translate. They just feel the sentence.
So here's the first big idea for today. Stop trying to be perfect. Start trying to be clear.
Good job if you're listening carefully. This is very important.
Part 2. Think in pictures, not words.
Here's a powerful trick. Instead of translating words, think in pictures.
Yes, let's try a simple example.
Close your eyes for a second. Imagine this. A banana, morning, you're in a hurry.
Now listen. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Did you translate or did you just see it?
That's the goal. Picture first, sentence second. Let's repeat together slowly. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Again, good job. My quick breakfast is a banana.
See? Simple, real, useful.
Part 3. Use small, ready sentences.
Many learners try to speak long sentences. That's hard.
So instead, use small, ready sentences. Sentences you don't need to build.
For example, instead of thinking, how do I explain my morning routine?
Just say one small sentence. I wake up at 7.
Then another one. I check my phone.
Then I have a quick breakfast.
That's it. You're speaking English already.
Let's practice together. Listen first. I wake up at 7. I check my phone. I have a quick breakfast.
Now say it again in your mind. No translating, just repeat.
Great job. You're improving already.
Part 4. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, really.
Here's a secret many learners don't use. Talk to yourself in English.
It feels funny at first, but it works.
For example, in the morning, say, I'm tired. I need coffee.
Or when you're outside, it's hot today. The traffic is bad.
These are real thoughts. You already think them.
Just change the language. That's all.
No grammar book needed.
Part 5. Don't translate feelings. Use common phrases.
Another big mistake, people try to translate feelings.
But English already has ready phrases.
Instead of translating, use these. I'm not sure. I think so. Maybe. It depends.
These phrases are gold. Use them again and again.
Let's do a mini dialogue.
Question. Do you like waking up early?
Answer. It depends.
Perfect. Short, natural English.
Good job if you followed that.
Part 6. Listen, speak, listen again.
So when you hear English, a podcast, a video, or reel, don't pause every second.
First, just listen. Second, repeat 1 or 2 sentences. Third, listen again later.
Your brain learns with time, not stress.
Be patient with yourself. You're building a habit.
All right, Let's recap what we learned today.
Number 1. Stop translating. Think in pictures.
Number 2, use short, ready sentences.
Number 3. Talk to yourself in English.
Number 4, use common phrases like I think so, maybe, it depends.
You don't need perfect English. You need used English.
And you're already on the right path. Seriously, good job.
Now we want to hear from you.
Fun community question for today. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
You can answer simply. I check my phone. I drink water. I have tea.
Tell us in the comments. Don't overthink it.
We read your comments and we're proud of you.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and remember you're improving every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye!